I just came on here to show y'all my hair. You know. Hey, it's the vlog. Y'all, my life finna be in her hands. You can't even tell. My life finna be in her hands. Here, tell me what you about to do. Alright. So, you know, I'm about to go away and give her a nice little smooth haircut. You know what I'm talking about? Here we're at Paul Mitchell. You know, it's the heart of the hair school. Can't get no better than this. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna go in, give her a nice cut, and y'all gonna see the whole process. If it was, I will tell you. Trust me. Alright, this is the one we're gonna do on you. It's not gonna really look like this. It's Chinese bowl cut. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna look like that, but bowl. Damn, I saw that. Sheesh. There's hair everywhere. Can y'all see my whole head? No? Okay. That's better. Oh my gosh, these people outside my window just be talking. It's raining. I'm pretty sure y'all can hear that. I'm so sorry. But we are here today because obviously y'all can see that my hair is cut. I was supposed to do an update for y'all, and I just want y'all to know that I cut it. I did my second big chop. So yeah, that's all I have to really say for now. I love y'all. Even the mean people in the comments, y'all still supporting, so. Yeah, this how it turned out. I might put the scarf back on for a little bit though, since it's raining. Y'all already see how these curls are defined with this conditioner in them. You feel me? Okay, y'all, so say you got school or work or something, and you know how hair day has to be like a whole entire day. This is what I will pull with the quickness. Y'all already know it's gonna be hard because you gotta kind of Get the plastic cap up under there. Like, see, look at that. Gotta make sure that guy is tucked in. Boom. Right. You follow me? And slap that guy on. Slap that guy on, you know. Make sure you cannot see this plastic cap. Well, the wig cap, because the plastic cap is secured underneath it. Then you just pull this forward. Just pull that forward and brush it out. This is actually probably the worst wig install, not install, but put on I've ever done. But I know it's humpy and stuff. But y'all get the point that I'm making. Like, you can go with your wig on for a day and just be living La Vida Loca.
Like, if your hair go, look, your hair go from this, get the camera. Definitely a lot of shrinking. But you're gonna take care of it. Okay. Alright, so we're going to be using the Awapui Wild Ginger Styling Treatment Oil from Paul Mitchell and the Neural Style Finish Spray by Paul Mitchell.
Hey y'all, this ain't even low enough, girl. Hey y'all. Nope, still don't like it. My first twist out with my hair cut this short, and just gonna hop right into this guy. Lemongrass oil, honestly. It has rosemary oil and stuff in it, but yeah. Edges, and this is my cotton ball. Again, I feel like it's grown a little, but then again I feel like it's just because it's stretched. This is about a year's growth. It'll be a year's growth come, I think I got my hair dyed at the end of April or May. So yeah, it's about to be a year's worth of growth in a minute, and y'all can see the blonde is just gonna come off as I get my trims. So yeah, it'll be a year soon, and this is how my end result is. So hold on. First and foremost, can't be on here with no chapped lips. Y'all done already seen me looking crazy a numerous amount of times. Like, y'all be seeing me look so crazy, so, you know, just gotta keep it real. I don't even be looking all fabulous all the time. I just came over here to show y'all my hair. This is the third day. I did that twist out on Wednesday, and it is now Saturday afternoon. So yeah, this is how it looks. Let me see if I can kind of show y'all like these curls is popping. It got rained on, so every time I decide to wear my natural hair, it end up raining. Like, I don't understand or appreciate that. But yeah, so this is how it looks. It did get rained on a little bit, but really it's still the twist out mostly, like. And all I do is I put on a bonnet, take it off. I didn't even pick it out or anything. I don't even feel like messing with it. So if you're watching this is the final part of my little hair update that I've been on you guys for like a year now. I'm so sorry, y'all. I am gonna be more consistent now. I'm gonna be doing a Q&A video. Now, I know the regular questions you ask a person, like your age, your name, and all that basic stuff, but if you all have anything else to ask me, y'all know where to put it, or through my email, aliciaj@icloud.com, and I'll put that in the description box. That's if you want to be like discreet or whatever. You don't want anyone to know that it's you asking, because I won't disclose you all's names. But if you don't care, then you can just drop them below in the comment box, and I'll just like it, and then I'll make the video. Ask whatever you want to ask me. And I was gonna say we can do 21 questions, like I'll stop at 21, but if it's over 21 questions, I am perfectly fine with that. I'll answer however many questions you all give me, because I just feel like y'all do not know anything about me. Like, y'all don't even know my first name, my best. So that's why I'm doing that. If you're not subscribed to me, what are you doing? That's it. I'll see you all in the next video.